Good morning, grammarians. Miss Tinty here with your Friday grammar lesson. We are getting close to the end of Unit 1. We have just a few lessons left until we'll be doing a review and then a test. Let's talk today about using the words this and that. These two words often are mixed up by people who are learning English. Let's talk a little bit about how these words work. So, for example, in example A, it says, I have a book in my hand. This book is red. In this case, when we're using the word this, we're talking about something that is near us. For example, this book, it's in my hand, or it's right here on my desk. We're talking about something close to us when we are saying this, okay? When we have an example like example B, it says, I see a book on your desk. That book is blue. In this case, the word that is being used to show that the book is not near me. This is right here, and that is over there. This is my book right here. That is your book, the one over there. You can make one contraction with the word that only. You cannot do it with this, but you could say, that's her book. When you make a contraction, that's, it means that is together. You take out the I, you put in that apostrophe, and you create that's. That's her book. So let's see these little practices here. We don't have to write anything for these. It's just oral practice. Use this and that. Touch and point to things in the classroom. We're not in our classroom, but if we were, I could say, this is my book. This is my book. That is your book. Or this is my pen. That is your pen. This is our notebook. That is her notebook. This meaning close to me, that meaning far away. Okay? This is more oral practice. We're going to skip that. Now we're going to add to this using these and those. So we're going to talk today this and that, these and those. These is sort of like the plural of this. My books are on my desk. These are my books. We use these when we're talking about more than one thing. Remember, this is singular. This is my book. These are my books. Your books are on your desk. Now we're talking about over there. Those are your books. That is the singular form. That is your book. And those is the plural. Those are your books. So we've got this and these, that and those. This and these, that and those. So now your work is going to be exercise 40. It will be very brief today. You are going to complete the sentences. It's asking you to use the word in parentheses. Choose the best word to use, okay? So in this number 1, we have the choice between this and these. We have to decide what goes on the line. Blank books belong to me. Blank books belong to me. Well, books is plural. I know that because I see an S. It means more than one book. What do we know about plural? We need to use these. So these books belong to me. Now for the next one, we have an option between that and those. Blank book belongs to Kate. Well, it's not mine. It's not near me. It's belonging to Kate. But it's singular because it only has B-O-O-K, no S. So the singular form is going to be that. That book belongs to Kate. Okay, let's take a look at number 2, see what we can do here. Blank coat is black. Blank coat is black. Coat. Coat. Is that 1 or 2 or more? The answer is it's 1. I know that. There's no S on the end. 1 coat. So singular. Which one is singular? Go back up. This, right. This coat is black. This coat is black. Now we have to decide between that and those. Coats are tan. Tan is a color. But I see here coats. It looks different than this one. It's got an S on it. We know it's plural when we're choosing between singular and plural. We're going to go back up here. Oh, it's going to be plural. Those coats are tan. You will complete the rest of exercise 40. That's it for today. Thank you for your attention.